Welcome, everybody. Today, we will learn the art of sequencing, vinyasa, which means placed in a special way. So we'll try to find a way how to combine all the poses together so it feels balanced and natural. For this, we can follow 3 simple steps. First, want to make sure that all the poses, they're just one step away, meaning there's a transition happening between the poses, a flow. So, for example, we're not jumping from Tadasana to tabletop, but we can place a few poses in between so there's a transition happening. Like from Tadasana, we can do Utkatasana, chair pose, then Uttanasana, forward fold, and then place the knees on the ground into tabletop. Second, it's important to repeat the same number of poses on one side as on the other side. And I recommend to keep it simple. For example, we can do 1, 2, or 3 poses on one side and then repeat the same poses on the other side. So we have balance. And lastly, the counter poses. For example, if we do forward fold, the counter pose will be back bend, and so on. In this class, you can see an example of a sequence that I've created. But you can also create your own sequence and write it down in the comments so I can give you a feedback. You can start a sequence from laying on the ground, from sitting or standing, it's up to you. Make sure to keep it short and balanced. Just a couple of poses on one side and then on the other side. So let's meet on the mat. We'll start our sequence from kneeling, so you can place a blanket under the knees if you have sensitive knees, and extend the right leg to the side into Parighasana. The knee bend aligned with the ankle, and the right heel aligned with the left knee. Exhale, hinge towards the extended knee from the hip, and bounce back to the neutral on the inhale. Repeat a couple of times, moving with the breath to unstuck the hips. The next time when you hinge towards the knee, rest the right arm on the knee and draw half a circle with the left arm, opening the side body. Inhale, the arm goes up. Exhale, back to neutral. And repeat a few times on your own, unlocking the side body. And next time when you go up, you can stay here for a few moments, breathing into the side body, slightly turning the chest towards the sky. Next, we will do a really fun functional movement. Come back to kneeling. Inhale, bring yourself down. Imagine like you're sitting on the heels, almost like you sit in a chair. The pelvis neutral. Exhale, scoop the pelvis and roll the spine up one vertebrae at a time. Repeat 2 more times on your own, following the breath. Next, move the blanket to the left side and shift your weight on the blanket, sitting on the blanket into Bharadvajasana. We use the blanket to level up the hips so they're more or less leveled. Inhale, bring both of the arms parallel to the floor. Exhale, twist the chest, the rib cage to the left. The right arm rests on the left knee. Bring the left arm up and over the head. We will do a few gentle movements with the chest. Bring the chest down and up very gently a few times. And then you can stay here for a few moments, breathing into the side body. Again, the chest turning slightly towards the sky. When you're ready, release the arms down. Bring yourself into table. You can wiggle the spine from side to side just to release the tension. The hands rest under the shoulders, shoulder distance apart, and the knees hips distance apart, aligned with the hips. We're going to do a few cat-cows. Inhale, bend the spine, shine the chest up. Exhale, round the spine into cat, look down. Do it a couple of times on your own, moving with the breath. Bring your attention inside and focus on the sensations. Next, we will bow in Bhaktasana for a few moments to release the tension. Breathe into the belly. If the stretch is too difficult for you, you can always tug the toes or use the blanket under the knees or between the glutes and the heels. Breathe naturally. Come back to the table. Tug the toes. And bring yourself up to kneeling again. We will repeat the same on the other side. Extend the left leg to the side, this time into Parighasana. Knee bend, aligned with the ankle. On the exhale, hinge towards the knee from the hip. Inhale, press through the leg and come back to neutral. Repeat a few times. And then release the left arm to the left knee. And draw half a circle with the right arm. Inhale, the arm goes up. Exhale, down. Two more times on your own, following the breath. And next time when the arm goes up, you can stay here for a few moments, breathing into the side body. When you're ready, release the arms and bring the knees together to the kneeling. Inhale, bring the arms up. Imagine like you're sitting on the chair. Exhale, scoop the pelvis and roll the spine one vertebra at a time while bringing the arms down and opening the chest. 2 more times on your own. Inhale, bring the arms up like you're sitting on the chair. Feel the engagement in the deep core. Exhale, release the arms down, roll the spine and open the chest, engaging the glutes, subtle back bend. Next, interlock the arms behind you and move the shoulders away from the ears, squeezing the shoulder blades and opening the heart space. Next, move the blanket to the right this time and shift the weight on the blanket into Bharadvajasana. Inhale, arms parallel to the floor. Exhale, twist the chest towards the right. The left arm rests on the right knee. And the right arm goes up and over the head, opening the side body. Again, we will do a few micro movements with the chest, moving up and down a couple of times. And next time when you go up, you can rest here for a few moments, breathing into the side body, chest turning slightly towards the sky. Next, bring yourself down into the table. But we'll do a few cat-cows again. The hands rest under the shoulders, shoulder distance apart, and the knees, hips distance apart under the hips. Inhale, shine the chest up towards the sky. Exhale, round the spine, look down. Pay special attention to the lower spine when you look down and to the upper spine when you look up. Repeat a few times. And when you're ready, bow in Bhaktasana for a few moments, breathing into the belly. Relax your whole body. You don't have to do anything here. Just relax. Breathing into the belly helps us to downregulate the nervous system and relax deeper. Let your body breathe naturally. When you're ready, slowly bring yourself up to sitting on the heels and take a few breaths here, finishing up the sequence. This is just an example of a simple sequence, and you can continue if you'd like. If you feel like you want to explore more. Thank you so much for practicing this little sequence with me. In the next video, we will learn how to build a full class. Namaste.